partnership. We should create opportunities for our young people to build workforce future for their generation and others to come. If we cooperate towards this endeavor, we can create the hope many young people are seeking across our borders, in turn depriving us of their great potential. That's the sure way for Somalia and its global partners to mutually benefit. Therefore, accelerating the private sector investment for economic recovery and resilience is a crucial goal that I am confident that we can achieve through partnership. Since our last meeting in London last year, the Somali Investment Law has been operationalized and the National Investment Board has been set up. The Telecommunications Act has been passed and the regulatory authority established. The federal government has increased public-private dialogue in hoping to grow the economy, increase transparency and investor confidence, while also improving economic and fiscal policy making to greater services and increase domestic revenue to reinvest in the transformation of Somalia. We are cognizant that for the private sector to play its full role in Somalia's recovery, entrepreneurs and investors need clarity, security, and protection for their assets and ideas. They also need access to financing and banking sector, which can both finance their dreams while safeguarding their assets. I can assure you that this government is doing everything possible to strengthen the legal and policy framework to promote competition, innovation, and enabling local and international partnership to facilitate investment in Somalia's key sectors, including agribusiness, livestock, fishery, and many more. These partnerships can be lucrative for both investors and the people, especially if they create the supply chain that will allow more goods and services and products to be made in Somalia by Somalis and then sold in the local market, as well as exported for global consumption. Trade is more sustainable and honorable than aid. This is the fact we fully understand that we are working hard to realize that these efforts will come to fruition. Since this government took office, we have signed bilateral cooperation agreements with strategic partners, both bilateral and multilateral, to increase investment and trade. We are working toward rejoining the World Trade Organization, COMESA, and assessing how we can benefit from further regional economic integration. However, we need many more of these agreements to utilize and fully benefit from our nation's vast resource wealth. Furthermore, I'm very hopeful that these agreements will reconnect Somalia to the global market. We cannot afford to let opportunity like this pass us by. I will welcome the efforts of Somalia's business community and valuable partners in supporting the acceleration of private sector investment for economic recovery and resilience through innovative financing in Somalia. However, we need to increase these through microfinancing